Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kaptechpro. So friends, on this video we'll see a new way to share the pages in the SharePoint site, and by this way we don't want our users to get access to the entire site collection. We'll show you how we can share only a specific page with the users. So friends, without any delay, let's go to our lab environment and let's start our today's video demonstration. So friends, before we proceed to our lab environment, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do subscribe and please press the bell icon to get notified every time I release a new video. Okay friends, so now we are on our SharePoint Admin Center and we'll randomly open one site with the name of org page. On this site, we have this hero web part, and if we'll come slightly down, there are news posts which are there of different department, marketing and HR news. There are some images as well which are inserted on this site homepage, and then we have some links of my YouTube channel, and here you could see we have document library web part, and these are the documents. So now my end goal is, instead of sharing the the entire site with my user, I want to share only this particular page with the user. I don't want them to get access to the entire site and get the access to these the news post and all. I simply want the users to access the site. They could see the images which are there, and the YouTube video links which are pasted on this page. So for sharing only the page with the user, what we need to do, we'll simply click on share, and there are two options: copy link to page, and there is a share page. So we'll click on share page, and here we'll enter the user whom we want to share this page. So I will enter the name of my colleague Ritika, and as soon as I enter her name, there is the message: some files on this page not be shared. The reason being because there's a document library. I have not assigned this user permission on document library as well as on the news post. So let's see how will be the interface for my user Ritika, and what she will be able to see on the page which I am sharing with her. So I will copy the link, and I have assigned her permission to only view. I don't want her to edit the home page. Now we'll open another tab, or maybe we can use it in private window. Alright, I will paste that link. So once she will try to access the page, you could see she is not getting the first of all option to edit the page. Only she can just view the page. So this is the hero web part, and once she will scroll down, you could see in the news, both the news web part, she is not able to see the news post. Reason being, I have not assigned her permission to view the news post in the pages library. These images are the common. She is able to see the images. If she will scroll down, similarly she is unable to see the documents, because in the document library, in none of the documents she has the permission. And so I've inserted two links of my SharePoint videos on the page, so you can see she is able to see the videos as well. Now similarly, if I will grant her access in the entire site collection, she will be able to see all the content which I am able to see. Like if I'll go back, so these posts are not visible to Ritika, and the documents are also not visible to Ritika. If I will share any one post with her, let me share it with her, this A1 document. And I will click on send. So I have invited her to edit the A1 document. Now if she will go back and refresh the link which I shared with her, now you could see she is now able to see the content which I shared with her. So only the content which will be shared with her is visible, either a document or a news post. So friends, that's how we share the only page, not the site collection, with the user. So this was the first way to share the page with her. Similarly, if there is another page which is not set as the home page, if you want to share that specific page with the user, you can go to the pages library, and here you can just click on this, and you can share the entire page with the user by clicking on share, and then you can enter the username, and then you can click on send. So only that specific page will be accessible to user instead of the entire site collections. So friends, that's how we can share only a page with the user. This was a new way to share a page with the user. So that's conclude our video demonstration. For more informative videos, you can check my other video links on the screen and subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more upcoming videos. I will see you guys in next video.